Hey guys, vlog to my welcome. Let me introduce myself and to the vlog. Today we have Surbi. Oh, you are not coming anyways. You are useless.
You don't know how to hold a phone. I don't know what else you will hold in future.
I don't need to hold anything. She'll hold. Anyways, so guys, we are discussing who have got prettier hands. This is my hand. Show your. दिखा ना सही से दिखा भाई.
ना देख कैसे दिखाऊं?
अब बता अपना स्टेटमेंट बता.
I was saying how damaged, in what ways our hands are damaged. He's having these things, and like it is visible or not. The knots which you get from gymming, and I'm having dry hands where the skin is peeling off, which you get from washing dishes. Proving societal norms. Yeah, let's go.
Hence proved guys, we just say it for not for just fun, but it is actually factual.
We are just Indian people.
Yeah. Part 2 of the vlog. Today we are having our last day of his semester. I don't know how the time passed, and I have no clue but I
More than half of the engineering is
exactly, yeah. Half of my engineering is gone, and what did I do? Nothing.
completed. You got your heart
I have
broken.
achieved nothing in these 2.5 years.
I have.
She achieved
I have.
only this semester.
Oh, what do you mean, bhai?
What are
I-
your achievements from previous semesters?
I don't know, like Reliance Foundation.
That was your initial achievement.
First semester. Now second semester was my skill improvement.
Okay.
Second year.
Okay.
First year was like ठीक है, initializing and knowing.
Oh, by the way, she became DDGC lead this year.
Yeah, ये भी इसी semester हुआ था.
Yeah.
I started it in fourth semester.
I mean, whole credit goes to me because I did not participate, but still.
Bro, you wouldn't have won either way because of your gender.
If you would have stated some other reason, I would have slapped you. But
The
this is
only
very.
real competition was Vaishnavi.
Exactly,
Though we
yeah.
disqualify हो गए बीच में.
Yeah.
She was a competition.
But I did have some.
She had an internship as well, bhai.
But I had facts with me that I am like connected to this club from the very beginning.
हाँ, this is true. That's why you're in the operation.
Operation is nothing but just another lead Loki. Because she does nothing.
We had to come up with something.
Yeah.
नहीं, you're doing good work.
Of
अभी
course
रुक जा, बंद मत करना और बता. और what all did we do?
Yapping session चल रहा है ना.
हाँ, what all did we do? भाई, I तो did a lot of things. I went to Hyderabad, I went to Mumbai. And
Going to Hyderabad is not achievement.
it's not achievement, it was
It's
like
some part of her
it was
life.
Kaleshi either way.
Kaleshi, yeah. She met some boys and one of them got really attached to her.
And I said fuck off.
Attached or I don't know what. And yeah, and at the last she said fuck off. After almost 1 month of talking phase.
Talking face क्या, मेरा तो replying face चल रहा था भाई.
Yeah, replying phase because she is already in a relationship, guys.
Yeah.
And what else?
What else happened? Navratri happened भाई मेरे लिए तो भाई October was the best. October is the
We
best
fell
month.
in love in
In
October.
We fell in love in October.
What else?
That's right.
What about me? My semester started.
What about me?
My semester started with what? My semester started with
A breakup.
kidney stones.
Yeah, finished one.
I told you, na? It was during that time period only, no?
अभी सही हो गए?
Huh? And what else?
And
Kidney stones.
GDSC, too much work we did this year.
Yeah, too much work. I made some new crush, but I won't tell you guys. I let her go again.
Sanya.
Shut the fuck up. And
I should tell about future now. What will we do in sixth semester, which is the last semester of the whole fucking entire physical college, bhai. This is the last semester we'll be coming to college actually. We need to do something
crazy.
badass,
Yeah.
crazy, bhai.
I mean, really memorable.
yeah.
We'll do some great events in GDGC. That's all we can do. And we can cover the whole thing in our vlog. What else we can do?
Bhai, we need to make memories.
Yeah, exactly. No, so that we are extending our GDGC sessions
नहीं,
as much as we want.
जितना हो सकता है उतना करेंगे.
तो
एक बार अपन कॉलेज आना बंद कर दिया, we'll drop it.
So that is gonna happen at the end of sixth semester. June,
July.
yeah.
What else? What will be achieved? चल next video बना दो. What will be achieved?
Now part 3 of the vlog. In this part we'll yap
Future.
about future.
We yapped about past, present, and now future.
Let me set up the camera.
Let's make resolution now only. What
Revolution?
will be resolution?
Resolution.
Resolution तो अपन को खाना पड़ेगा भाई.
Resolution.
ठीक है, resolution
My
is-
birthday is coming up.
We talk about it.
When is it, Survi?
It's in Feb. It's on 12th of Feb.
Okay. And when? Never mind. When is our whole 1 year thing coming?
2nd of Jan.
2nd of Jan. Guys, she.
So we are talking about now the resolutions we have for the next year.
Yeah.
I put this thing. as
I'll
a-
get bulky, guys. Just wait and watch.
I'll start gymming.
She'll. I've been advising her from like what? From second year only that start gymming, join gym. What?
I'll start gymming from 3rd month of the year, like March.
March. Why so?
So January we have paper, Feb I have a trip. तो थोड़ा लंबा जाना है. Then March में I'll
I
do
don't.
it all.
I don't give you permission. I'm your second dad.
How many do I have?
Just two of them. The one that came that night on the Deaf Fest, and the other one this. No other dads.
What do you call him a dad? अरे भाई छोड़ो ना.
18 plus content हो रहा है guys.
Now we're talking about what we're gonna do. So I'll start gymming from March. What else? I'll start the DSA
Don't
from
shake it.
tomorrow. I'll start DSA from tomorrow.
Hmm.
I'll start our project as well today itself.
We need to think about that. Yes.
Yeah, our project we have.
Yeah.
अपन को solution challenge जीतना है.
Solution
I
challenge.
put this in the list कि I will win solution challenge.
Yeah, we
Be
need
it
to win it, yeah.
Top 3 is
हाँ.
the goal. But if
Top 3 is the goal.
yeah, top 10 चलेगा, top 100.
पैसे लेने हैं भाई, पैसे लेने हैं.
या पैसे
स्किन केयर
लेने
का खर्चा निकालना है.
पैसे लेने हैं. GDSC जो हमसे निकलवा था है ना वो सब वापस लेना है.
हाँ.
ठीक है. We will do this. We will make GDSC और cool उसके ऑफिस में भी कुछ मशीन
Yeah.
उसको अच्छे से करेंगे. And tech भी करेंगे उसके में. ठीक है. So we need to arrange all this shit.
I am hosting all the tech events
Yeah.
because I need to create some certain impression on certain somebody. Now moving on.
Yeah, moving on. What else do I have? I'll cut my hair short.
Oh my God! Look at her hair, bhai. Look at her hair.
It's very bulky. Yaar, come on. How many do I have?
Get bald.
No. I'll cut my hair short in a good way. A good fit.
Okay.
What else? I'll start tech now. Like getting into tech now.
In third year,
Like,
that
I'm
too
so
with
done
help.
with ओरिएशन भाई. कल मेरे को स्नेहा मैम को कॉल आया कि है ना आज है ना मैथमेटिक्स का कल कुछ हो रहा है इवेंट. मैंने कहा मैम मैं बिजी हूँ. मेरा PVL है, मैं बिजी हूँ, पूरे दिन बिजी हूँ.
Good, bhai.
I
Good.
said no भाई मेरा हो गया. That's it. I'm done. Anyways, no offense Neha ma'am, I love you. Anyways, so what was I saying? हाँ, और what will we do?
It's
For
you,
the
not
next
we.
year.
हाँ. I need to crack some good internship.
SIH as well.
SIH अब next year SIH gym. A good internship.
Gym, SIH, good internship, college के चीज़ें, CGPA.
CGPA though does not matter anymore because I'm gonna apply off campus only. But and some skill, really good skill development and some good major projects. And AIML, I'm diving into AIML next year. DSA I'll do next to next year. There's no point of doing DSA. I'll try competitive programming though.
तो वो क्या है DSA?
Yeah, but I'll try area, मतलब easier one. Now let me check if our Maggie is ready.
Exactly, I am hungry.
Vlog to my welcome part 4 guys. Our professional yapper has gone now. So we have the whole frame to ourselves. Okay. Now talking about me, what am I gonna do next year? What am I gonna do? That is a real question. Stay tuned. Alright, no bakchodi. In January I have my entrance. Okay. In January I have my entrance. Then that will take whole month. In February I have my what? I have my birthday, yes. But I'm not excited. I turned 21 this year by the way. And then
सही में?
yep.
I need a big party, bro.
For what?
For turning 21, duh.
Didn't you turn? Oh, you are 2005
I
kid, yeah.
turned 20.
Yeah. Sorry. हाँ. And then
तू भी तो 2004 ही तो है.
हाँ. 2005 है ना तू?
नहीं.
अच्छा मैं ड्रॉपर हूँ. I am supposed to be your senior guys.
How?
I would have been Siddhant Khare League, and for those of you who don't know,
Yeah.
Siddhant Khare will make a separate vlog for it because it needs a separate vlog.
Thank God you're not in there yet.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, how would you meet me then? How would you get a cool partner? And
No, I would have hated you.
you wouldn't have hated me. I would have been your cool senior.
Tell
Like
me one senior you like from that batch. Name one.
Anshit.
Okay.
That too you can also agree on.
You like him for his skills.
I don't know him personally though.
That's why.
I have developed all the likings based on what I've heard from you and everyone else.
You like him for his great up profile.
I
Not
haven't
for
seen
the-
that as well.
Not for the person he is. चालू नहीं था.
अबे भाई
नहीं था, बंद हो गया होगा.
नहीं था.
मैं क्या बोल रही हूँ? क्यों क्या बोल रहे हैं? एनेस्थीसिया कैसा वाला देंगे? सिरिंज वाला?
First I need to say it again. So guys, major update
Don't
on
make
my
that joke.
2025 resolution. I recorded this whole thing but I forgot to turn on the camera. So I'm gonna say it again
बहुत
anyways.
depend on any everything.
Don't instigate me, Survi.
नहीं रहता.
Anyways, so huh. So the major thing that is gonna happen in 2025 throughout 2025 is I'm gonna get
Getting
braces.
breasts.
I'm gonna get braces. And this one teeth, this one teeth, this one teeth, this one teeth. 4 teeth are getting extracted, and it's gonna be painful.
Can you video call Himanshu?
But yeah, alright. Video calling Himanshu.